So guys, today I will be showing you how you can make money from YouTube Shorts. There are many ways, but actually I will show you the three ways. Today is how you can make money from YouTube Shorts, guys. So let's dive right in. So the first way you can make money from YouTube Shorts is from selling your own products, guys. As you can see, this guy Unnecessary Invention has this short video, and when we go to his description, you can see a bunch of link over here, and when you click through this shop link, YouTube will direct to his shopping page, and here you can see you can shop his inventions. He has a bunch of products to sell. This is the first way you can make money from YouTube Shorts. And the second way is from your affiliate products. For example, here you can see, you can go to his description, and here you can see, guys, he has bunch of affiliate links. He has links for small case, Zeroda, all this camera gear and all, guys. So this is the second way you can make money from YouTube Shorts, from affiliate marketing. And the third way is from YouTube Shorts fund, guys. This is not the ad revenue, this is YouTube Shorts fund. YouTube has set a fund for short video creators. So basically you will get $10 for 1 million views or something, guys. So this is not a huge amount of money, this is just a little